Watch that lid. Don't touch anything. What is doing that? Oh. How freaking weird.
Is there anything in there?
Just milk. Let me see that lid. I put it on. I didn't push it down all the way. I just kind of set it on there. But it was doing after a minute, 2 minutes before you came over here. Is there milk in the refrigerator?
Just did it again.
No, that was me that time.
Oh. I didn't see, I just heard you.